No speakers or headphones are plugged in, Windows 11 fix. So if you're having issues with your speakers or headphones not plugged in type of errors, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. First of all, I want you to simply open up your settings. Once you open settings, you want to simply go on the left hand side towards the option called system. Now here you want to go to the option called sound, and under sound you want to check whether you have connected a speaker. You can see on the input devices also you can check your microphone whether they're connected or not. If not, you can manually add a device by clicking the add device option or pair a new device right here. Now if this is not showing you full options, another way you can access this is by simply going to your search bar on Windows, then type in mmsys.cpl. I repeat, mmsys.cpl, which is a control panel item. So when you open this control panel item, what happens over here is under playback, you can see your speaker and headphones. So let's say you've connected a headphone and it's not showing. It could have been that it is disabled. So you can right click on it and click the enable button. And if you've connected the headphone, it will show up. Same as for recording as well. If you've connected the microphone but it shows not showing, then right click on it and you want to click on enable if it has been set to disable. And last but not the least, of course, the updating thing, your Windows and all are just basic little things that you want to make sure. You want to make sure Windows is updated to the latest version, and also try to restart your device to see if it helps you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.